Hold on to your floppy disks, folks, because the tech world is buzzing with some unexpected news. Microsoft, the behemoth of Redmond, is hitting the brakes on some major data center plans, causing quite a stir. They're cancelling leases. Not for a cubicle or two, mind you, but for massive facilities designed to crunch numbers for the AI revolution, which is a significant shift. This isn't just rearranging the office furniture, it's a big deal, impacting the future of tech infrastructure. Companies like Microsoft have been pouring billions into building these digital fortresses, betting on the future. They're betting big on artificial intelligence. And these data centers are the engine rooms powering that vision. So what does it mean when the engine goes quiet? Let's dive in and explore the implications. This move has everyone scratching their heads, trying to understand the rationale behind it. Is Microsoft getting cold feet about the future of AI? Or is there a deeper strategy at play? Are they just being savvy with their cash, reallocating resources for better opportunities? Or is something else going on behind the scenes that we don't yet understand? Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting and the tech world is watching closely. We're not talking about a few cancelled subscriptions to Microsoft Word here. These cancellations represent a couple of 100 megawatts of capacity. In layman's terms, that's roughly the size of 2 entire data centers. These things are colossal, filled with enough servers to make your head spin. To give you a sense of scale, imagine a warehouse the size of a football field, stacked floor to ceiling with powerful computers. Now imagine 2 of those just gone. Poof, that's the scale we're talking about. This isn't just a blip on the radar. It's a significant shift in strategy for a company that has been aggressively expanding its data center footprint. So, what gives? Why pump the brakes now? The million-dollar question, or perhaps the billion-dollar question in this case, is why? Why is Microsoft pulling back on data centers just as the AI gold rush is heating up? It's a perplexing move, especially when the demand for AI capabilities is skyrocketing. Well, nobody knows for sure except those secretive folks in Redmond. They always seem to have a plan up their sleeves, but this one has left many scratching their heads. But, like any good tech mystery, there are theories. One possibility is OpenAI. You know, the brainiacs behind ChatGPT, that chatbot that can write Shakespearean sonnets and debug your code sometimes. Their partnership with Microsoft has been a game changer in the AI landscape. OpenAI is backed by Microsoft, but they've also been cozying up to Oracle, another tech giant with deep pockets. This relationship adds another layer of complexity to the situation. Could OpenAI be shifting some of its massive computing needs to Oracle's cloud, reducing Microsoft's need for all that data center space? It's a possibility that can't be ignored. Another theory revolves around investment strategy. Microsoft has been spending like a drunken sailor on data centers, both in the US and overseas. The scale of their investment has been staggering. Perhaps they're simply shifting resources, pulling back in some areas to double down on others. It's a strategic move that could pay off in the long run. It's like a game of digital chess, and we're just pawns trying to figure out their next move. The stakes are incredibly high. Of course, there's the elephant in the room. Did Microsoft overestimate the demand for AI? It's a possibility, however uncomfortable it might be to admit. The market can be unpredictable, and even giants like Microsoft can miscalculate. The AI hype train has been running at full steam, but are we reaching a point where reality is setting in? Only time will tell if this move is a stroke of genius or a misstep. Microsoft's move has sparked a wave of uncertainty in the tech world, sending ripples through the industry. Is this a sign that the AI bubble is about to burst, or is it just a temporary setback in a rapidly evolving field? Are we about to see a mass exodus from data centers as companies realize they've overspent? The implications could be far-reaching. It's too early to say for sure, but the industry is watching closely. Despite the cancellations, other tech giants like Amazon, Google, and Meta are still investing heavily in AI infrastructure, showing no signs of slowing down. They're betting big on the future of artificial intelligence, even if Microsoft is showing a flicker of doubt. Their commitment remains unwavering. The truth is, nobody knows for sure what the future holds for AI. Predictions are varied and often contradictory. Will it revolutionize every aspect of our lives, or will it fall short of the hype? Only time will tell, but the potential is undeniable. What we do know is that the tech landscape is constantly shifting, adapting to new challenges and opportunities. Companies are making big bets, adjusting their strategies and trying to stay ahead of the curve. The stakes have never been higher. Microsoft's data center cancellations are just the latest twist in this ongoing saga, a reminder of the volatility in the tech sector. And you can bet your bottom dollar that this is far from over. The story of AI is still being written, with many chapters yet to unfold.